In today's fast-paced world, we are more connected than ever. Phones, tablets, AirPods, our devices go everywhere with us. But all that connectivity comes at a cost. Battery drain, and there is nothing worse than watching your phone hit 5% in the middle of your day. That's why a good power bank isn't just a convenience anymore, it's a daily essential. Today, we are reviewing one of the most reliable and compatible chargers available in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD. With this premium build, fast charging support, and well-known Anker reliability, it promises to be the perfect everyday power companion. We will also do a real-world comparison with the new Edge 30,000 mAh power bank, a popular budget-friendly option many users swear by. So is this Anker worth extra bucks, or should you just stick with your new Edge or older power bank? Let's find out. The moment you unbox the Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD, it's clear this isn't just another generic plastic power bank. It features a soft fabric textured shell that feels both modern and rugged, resists to smudges, scratches, and even fingerprints, compared to the new Edge 30,000 mAh power bank, which usually comes in glossy or matte plastic. The Anker feels more premium. It feels more like a premium accessory than a backup power bank. Weighing just around 180 grams, it's lighter than most smartphones and can comfortably sit in your pocket or bag without dragging you down. The matte finish gives it a clean look, while the single button interface and 4 white LED indicators are minimal but functional. There are no loose parts or cracks. It's a solid, well-built unit you can count on even after months of use. With new Edge, build quality tends to be hit or miss depending on the model. Some have decent shells but often feels hollow or fragile after extended use. Durability is a key concern. Anker already has the edge. Let's talk first. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD keeps it simple with a USB-C support 18 fast charging in both directions, great for fast charging your phone and recharging the power bank itself. 2. The USB-A delivers optimized output for older devices, accessories, and non-PD gadgets. So let's talk about the key features. Passing through charging. Charge the power bank and your phone at the same time. Let's talk about the smart output detection. Delivers only the power needed for each device. No overheating, no overcharging. On the other hand, let's talk about the Anker multi-protection. Safety system keeps your device safe from voltage spikes or short circuits. So by contrast, most new Edge 30,000 mAh power bank offers a USB-A only, and while some newer models include USB-C, not all support true PD fast charging. That means longer charging times and less efficient use. We have tested the Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD in daily use and it delivers fantastically. So let's talk about the charging speed. Samsung Galaxy A22 5000 mAh power battery, which charges from 0 to 50% in 3 minutes, fully charged under 1 hour 45 minutes. On the other hand, let's talk about some AirPods, fully charged from dead in under 1 hour. You can even charge it twice over. Let's talk about how long the power bank charges itself. The power bank charges from 0 to 100% in around 3.5 hours or maybe 4 hours, which supports a 18 watt fast charge. In comparison, the new 30,000 mAh power battery takes around maybe 10 hours to fully charge, and charging your phone from it is noticeably slower. It may be good enough for overnight charging, but it doesn't hold up if you're in a rush. One of the PowerCore standard photo is just how easy it is to carry. It is the kind of tech that becomes invisible until you need it. Fits emojis or gym pockets. Sits quietly in a small sling or walk bag without any bulky. This quick light indicator shows battery status clearly without glowing in the dark. Meanwhile, some new Edge power bank tend to be thicker and heavier despite the same battery rating. They are also often skip features like pass-through charging or refined battery level indicator, which can be annoying when you are in a hurry or guessing if you have enough charging left. If portability and user experience matters to you the most, again, Anker power bank is what you really need. So let's break it down. Anker power bank 10,000 mAh power battery and new Edge 10,000 mAh power battery or 30,000 mAh power, depending on the one you want. So both of them support fast charging. The Anker support 18 watt fast charging, while the other one supports 20 watt or 10 watt, depending on the product you are buying. So Anker supports pass-through charging, which is very fantastic. Both of them comes with the Type C and Type A. The Edge power bank only comes with the Type A charging port. So if you want to charge the Anker, you can charge it from maybe 5 hours to 6 hours. I would say on the price range, the Anker is more expensive compared to the new Edge power bank. So the new Edge power bank goes from maybe $30 to $40, while the Anker goes maybe $45, depending on where you are buying it from. So I don't know what to say about it. So it depends on what you want. Go with new Edge if you're on a very tight budget and don't need a fast charging. Go with Anker if you want a better speed, build quality, and a longer lifespan. The price difference reflects on quality differencing. Who is this particular power bank for? The Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD is designed for people who need reliable power on the go without adding weight or clutter. Something like a student, charge your phone and earbuds in between lectures. Remote workers, power your devices while working in coffee shops or buses. Frequent travelers, it's compact, perfect for keeping cameras and mic receivers alive during field shot. Minimalist, no frills, no gimmicks, just a dependable power. Not ideal for people who need multiple device charging at once. Only 2 ports. Those wanting wireless charging or built-in cables is not for them definitely. Users who need 20,000 or higher look into maybe larger Anker PowerCore Essential 20,000 PD. No, product is perfect, even great ones like this. Here are a few things to note. No built-in cables. You always need to carry your own USB-C or USB-A cable. Only 2 ports. Can't charge 3 things at once like some larger power banks too. So the price goes around $30 to $40. It's a bit pricier than budget option like the New Age or the Oremo itself. That's this intentionally designed choice aimed at keeping the unit compact and efficient. After months and years of using, the Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD still performs just as well as today. No swelling, no overheating, and no performance drops. Battery retention is excellent, even when left idle for days. It loses minimal charge. We have reports from users who have used Anker PowerCore for 2 years plus without a single issue, like me. So with the new edge result varies. Some units hold up fine while others degrade more quickly compared to the Anker. This is where reputation and quality control make a difference. Anker invests heavily in product testing and it shows. PowerCore 10,000 PD worth it in 2025. Yes, if you want a reliable, fast charging and a premium fuel, it is perfect for everyday use and everyday carry. It will last you longer than most budget alternatives. Why New Age might seem like the better deal upfront, you are getting more speed, safety and consistency with Anker. Overall, I'm rating this particular earbud 9/10. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done with style and dependability. There's a reason Anker remains one of the most trusted names in the power bank solutions. The PowerCore 10,000 PD don't try to do everything, it just does the important things right. If you are ready to stop worrying about the dead batteries and start focusing on your day, this is the best power bank to get. If this review helps you a lot, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment in the comment section below. If you have any question for me, you can let me know. Thank you very much for watching.